How to fix internet connection error on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on this video we will see how we can fix if you have an internet connection error while playing games in Roblox. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, navigate to the Roblox application in your mobile device. Tap and hold an application. Tap on App Info. Once you're on the app info, scroll down a bit and tap on Storage and Cache. Here tap on Clear Cache, and after that tap on Clear Storage. Now tap on OK. Once you have cleared the cache and the storage, now you can go back. Tap on Permissions. Here make sure you have allowed all the permissions on Roblox. Now once you have allowed all the permissions, you can close this. After that, you have to check if there is any updates available for the Roblox application. If the application is missing out any updates, there might be some error. So in order to check for updates, you have to open a Play Store. Tap on it, then tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner, and in the search bar type in Roblox. Here, if you find an update button, that means the application needs to get updated. Simply tap on update. Once the update is complete, now you can close the Google Play Store. After that, you have to restart your device. Once you restart your device, now again open the Roblox. And again, it will ask you to log into your account. So, log in providing your login credentials. Once you're logged in, your error will be solved. So that's how you can fix the internet connection error on Roblox, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.